Hi, in this video, let us discuss about abstract, how abstract is used in Java. We will see one code sample. We will create a class called shop. It actually represents a general form of a shop. It can be a vegetable shop, or it can be a fruit shop, or it can be flower shop, etc. Okay, so we have a class shop, and inside this shop class, let us have a method supply, public void supply. Inside this method, we don't have any business logic, so simply we print dummy method. Okay, system dot out dot println. Simply print dummy method. Now we will create a class coffee shop which extends this shop class. So create a class called coffee shop. This class extends shop class, and we provide implementation to the, or we can override the supply method inside this coffee shop class. Public void supply. So inside this method we can print coffee is supplied. Okay. So we can print coffee is supplied. Okay. So now we have another class juice shop which also extends shop class. So let us create another class called juice shop. This class also extends shop class. Okay, and it also overrides the supply method. Public void supply, and this method prints juice is supplied. System dot out dot println will print juice is supplied. Okay, so now we have two classes, coffee shop and juice shop. Both classes are subclass of shop class. Now let us create the objects of these classes. So for that we will create one another class called main. Okay, so that main class contains main method. So inside the main method, let us create object of coffee shop and coffee shop object, and call this supply method. We also can create the juice shop object and call the supply method of the juice shop. So we can call the supply method of the juice shop. So now let us print this. Now let us run this code and see the output. So let us run this code now and see the output. So we have these printouts as an output. Coffee is supplied, juice is supplied. Okay, but nothing is preventing from creating a shop object using the shop class. So we can also print. We can also create the shop object. Okay, shop equal to new shop, and we can call the supply method of the shop object. Right. In this case, we will get the output as dummy method. Right. Let us again run this code. So dummy method is printed. So we have to we need to ensure that the supply method only should be implemented in the subclasses, and it should not be called from the shop object. So to prevent that, what we can do is we can declare the supply method as abstract. So by making the supply method as abstract, the subclass has to provide implementation for this supply method. Okay, so let us modify this code. Right. So we declare this method as abstract. Okay. So by when you declare a method as abstract, the class also will become abstract. So we have to use the keyword at the class level also. Okay. So now the shop class is an abstract class, and no one can create object of a abstract class. So it will prevent from creating instances of a class. If you declare a class as abstract, then we cannot create instances of that class. So we have to comment this line number 15, and we also have to comment this line number 17. And one more advantage is, if you declare a method as abstract, if you declare a method of a class as abstract, and if any class extend that class, then that subclass also has to provide implementation of that abstract method. If you don't provide implementation, for example, if I comment this method at the coffee shop, I comment this supply method. Now we'll get compilation error because the coffee shop class extends shop class, and shop class has an abstract method. And if you don't provide implementation to that abstract method of that superclass, you will get compilation error that, like, the type coffee shop must implement inherited abstract method. Okay, so we have two solutions. One solution is you have to provide implementation to the abstract method of the superclass. That is one solution. Another solution is you have to declare this subclass also as a abstract class. So we will use the first solution, like we will uncomment this code, so it will work now. Okay, so now the compilation error goes. Okay, so this is the idea behind abstract. So abstract enforces you will have to provide implementation in your subclass, and if a class is abstract, then you cannot create object instance of that class.